December is exactly what you decide it to be. If you decide it to be a phenomenal month where you set new records for yourself, that's exactly what December is going to be. So don't fall prey to that thought in your head that says, hey, you know what? I'm just going to wait it out here. I'll start new in the new year. I'll kick it off. Because when you start fresh on January 1st and you have no momentum, it takes a while to get the wheels running. But if you create momentum for you and your business in December, you're already going to hit the ground running on January 1st. And remember, if you put a lot of people in play in December, because you're going to see a lot of people this month, whether it's at a holiday party, a Christmas party, friends, family, maybe people you don't see on an ongoing basis, you start putting those wheels in motion, starting those conversations. Some of those people will say yes right now. But a lot of those people will say, contact me after the first of the year. So when you get to January 1st, guess what you have? You have a whole list of people that you've already talked to that you can start the ground running and talk to them right away about this membership and opportunity. So take the next 31 days, make it a phenomenal December. Set your goals right now. You can get it done by the end of this year. It's going to be such a great month, not just for Legal Shield, but for all of you as well. So again, happy December, everyone. It's going to be a phenomenal